In the first round, the flavours of Verity's lemon tart impressed, and she coped well in the pro kitchen. Can she now cook 2 fault-free courses to get through?
What are you going to prepare for us?
Chicken, coriander and spring onion pesto. My dessert is a, I've called it a blueberry love nest. It's blueberries roasted in rose water with meringue, chocolate truffle and vanilla and raspberry cream.
You have a lot of work to do here.
I'm exceptionally organised, so I've been able to sort of translate that into cooking.
Raspberries, blueberries, rosewater, chocolate and meringue. Come on.
No, I'm actually really looking forward to it. You have 20 minutes left.
Train mechanic Graham wowed the judges yesterday with his chicken and leek dish, but his nerves have been a problem throughout. Can he now conquer them and turn out his 2 courses of halibut and a pear and amaretto flan?
What's happening to your nerves, Graham?
I don't know, because I'm not normally like this.
Do you think that actually your nerves today will affect the way your food comes out?
Possibly. I was nervous yesterday, but I managed to pull it off in the end, I thought.
How much would you like to win this?
From the size of me, I'm putting all of it into it. If I can get around the nerves, yeah, I think I can pull it off.
I do like the sound of Graham's food.
Did he phone my mum first before he came on here? Because that is delicious. You've got just 2 minutes. That's all you've got. Get it on the plate now. Time's up. That's it.
Verity has gone all out to impress with chicken with coriander pesto and a courgette, leek and sun-dried tomato sandwich, followed by a blueberry meringue love nest with chocolate truffle and vanilla and raspberry cream.
I think you've cooked everything very well. Your flavours are confusing.
Right.
You have Mediterranean sun-dried tomato, you have coriander and Eastern flavouring herb, and they are clashing.
Right.
Everything is cooked well. I feel like we've got 2 completely different dishes on one plate.
Let's have a look at this pudding. I like the chocolate. I like the sharp sweetness of the raspberry. I really want to pick up rosewater. I would like to see you consider 2 or 3 less flavourings when you cook.
Yeah.
The sharpness of those raspberries with the depth of the cocoa and the chocolate against the sweetness and the fragrance of the rosewater and the blueberries, to me, is just a little bit too much.
Maybe I could have toned it down a bit.
Graham has made halibut with prawn, chorizo and cannellini bean broth, followed by pear, frangipan and amaretto flan.
I like the flavours of the tomato, the halibut, the prawns together with those spring onions. I like the texture of the beans. I think it needs to have more body, more spice.
I love the texture of the beans. I love the flavours. But it needs a bit of chilli, heat, or it needs some tomato sweetness.
Yeah.
You are so close.
From fish to tart. Your pears are delicious, deliciously soft, and then we've got a lovely warmth of the amaretto booze in there. The pastry is lovely and soft and crumbly. It's an elegant-looking dish.
Thank you.
There are some things in life that are just an absolute joy, Graham, and this is just superb. The combination is just stunning, mate.
From what the comments you've just said, it's just blown us away.